Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to launch a brand new series where we'll show you how to crochet a collection of mini potted plants. These little creations are perfect as car decorations, desk buddies, or just adorable mood boosters for your room. They also make the sweetest handmade gifts for your friends and family. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Let's go started. Today I will show you how to crochet this mini gradient rose for the car. Here are the materials we need. Now let's begin. I am using a 3.0mm crochet hook. Start with white yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and guide it to your index finger. Hold the yarn tail. Pick up the crochet hook. Yarn over. Make one chain stitch. This will not count as a stitch. Chain 1. Place a stitch marker into the first chain. Continue to make a total of 52 chain stitches. Turn back to the third chain from the hook. Repeat to make 50 half double crochet stitches. Work a half double crochet. Place a stitch marker into the first stitch. Continue making half double crochet stitches until you reach the end of the chain. Remove the stitch marker. At the last stitch, place a stitch marker to mark the position where we will join later. Chain 2. Turn your work. At the marked stitch, remove the stitch marker yarn over and work one double crochet stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. Then pull through the remaining 2 loops. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Work 2 more double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, work 3 double crochet stitches. Slip stitch into the following stitch. Continue this pattern. 3 double crochet stitches in 1 stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, skip 1 stitch, repeat until you have completed 15 petals. For the last petal, work 3 double crochet stitches. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Chain 2 stitches and turn. Begin at the last double crochet of the previous row. Work 1 double crochet stitch into the next stitch. Work 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. Insert hook into the same stitch. Work 1 double crochet stitch into the next stitch. Slip stitch into the following stitch. Chain 2. Continue this pattern. 1 double crochet. Two double crochet stitches in the next stitch. One double crochet. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Work 9 white petals in this way. Switch to light-colored yarn. Carrying the yarn along as you crochet. And weaving in the tail as you go. Trim off any extra yarn. Work 3 more petals with the light-colored yarn. Switch to darker colored yarn and work the final 4 petals. At the last petal, remove the stitch marker. Work 1 double crochet stitch. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Chain 1. Pull the loop long. And cut the yarn. Set this aside for now. With dark green yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and guide it to your index finger. Pick up the crochet hook. Insert the hook into the loop. Make 1 chain stitch. This will not count as a stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Work 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Remove the stitch marker. And join with a slip stitch. Chain 6 stitches. Turn back to the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch into that chain. Then make 1 single crochet stitch. One half double crochet stitch. 2 double crochet stitches. And 1 slip stitch into the next stitch on the ring. This completes 1 set. Repeat this process 5 times to create 5 calyx points. Pull up the loop and cut the yarn. Weave in the ends with a yarn needle. Cut the yarn. Weave in the yarn tails on the rose petals. Trim any excess yarn. Take a piece of floral wire and bend the top slightly. Add glue to the wire. And insert through the flower center. Roll it up like this. Glue the calyx to the bottom of the flower. Press the calyx leaves with glue to secure. Wrap the green yarn around the wire stem, adding glue as you wrap to hold it in place. The stem wrapping and potted base are the same as the puff flower, so we will skip this part. Your mini gradient rose for the car is now complete.